What's up? Like and subscribe. We're back with the animal company with the first one too, and this guy. My bad. This guy isn't here.
Yay.
We're doing the new update. It's mining. Let's go. Get over there. Go. Okay. So it should be just over here. I don't know why I'm so heavy. I do have like
too much stuff in your
4
bag.
grapplers in my bag.
Bro, what?
I was saving them for my friend, but he's never gonna get on.
You have friends?
I'm trying to get the research point.
These aren't good.
I know. I'm just trying to get the research points. Well, can you only get them from the purple one?
I'm pretty sure you can only get them from the purple one.
No. I saw Just Toasty's video, and he inspired me to become a YouTuber. And that's why my name is Toast21.
Toast.
2112.
That's cool.
Hey, I saw Mimic.
Oh, not over here.
Yeah, I saw him over there, so. What's the point of breaking these if you can't?
Sometimes they give you coins.
Oh.
Yeah, I just got a bunch of them. If you go down, don't go all the way down, like you see right here. You hit me. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, so I saw in his video, he didn't notice the different colors of lights. I thought he would notice that straight away.
I don't like it in here. If you see the spider, just run away, bro.
I'm killing it.
Bro, you're not killing nothing.
Oh my god. Oh sorry.
Nothing.
I hate
I'm
that
gonna
these are
die if
weapons
you keep it.
too. Actually no, I kinda like I fell.
Wait,
Okay, but there's iron down here.
hold on. Hold on. Oh, there's a spider.
I thought you were the spider. Oh, look, a big chunk of iron. Oh, it's running away.
I like it.
Can you get that chunk? Thank you.
Let's
Oh, there's a
go
lot of
kill
purple
it.
stuff there.
Let's
Yo,
go
I'm
kill
heavy.
it.
I cannot make
Really
that.
easy to kill. Kill it, kill it, kill it.
I killed it. Hey, I killed it. I'm scared. What do I do now?
It killed me.
How do I get up?
Wait for me to come back and get my stuff.
Okay. I should have known they were gonna do a mining update. Cause why would they add a pickaxe inside the game and not add a mining update with that? You know, like this update.
No.
This update makes total sense. You fell down, didn't you?
No, I didn't.
Oh. This update makes total sense because, like, they added a pickaxe to the section, but no mine. Can you mine the mushrooms? Oh, can I mine this? No, I can't. That's a weapon.
Oh, it's the spider. Hey, get out! Kill it, kill it, kill it. I'm gonna die to it.
I like how it's a mimic in there.
Yeah. Oh, that's a shotgun.
That's cool. Purple.
I'm stuck.
Oh no, he targets you. Yeah, I'll let you get to.
Okay, let's go back.
I think I got some coins. He targets you if you're British. No, you cannot mine. I thought you could.
If I could mine. Go down. Let's keep going. Oh, so the. Fine.
I got research token. Yo, 3 more to go.
Come with me.
Dang.
Oh, don't go in. Don't go in yet. Don't go in yet.
I think spiders
Go,
in
go,
there.
go, 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 go. Just come up here quickly. Ah. I'm pretty sure.
You know, I'm gonna
It's
go
right
over
here,
there.
I'm pretty sure.
Here.
I don't know where it is. Ooh. Wait.
Oh, let's go. Oh my god, spider! Spider! It's attacking me.
It's attacking you.
I forgot it can climb. It's a spider.
Oh, that scared me.
I'm like, we can climb? Hey, what the frick is that thing? What's that box? You see that box over there?
Huh?
There's a box.
Come on, come over here. Oh no, it's back.
Yeah, it can
Come
climb
with
up
me,
here. I'm
come
kind
with
of stupid.
Come with me. I know where I'm going. Oh, I don't know where I'm going. Actually, it's this way.
Ooh, can I get that Pokemon?
No, it's mine. Where?
Wait, what's the best ore? Is it?
The best ores are gold, I'm pretty sure.
Okay. Because I'm talking to like get money.
Oh,
What's that
wait,
noise?
Wait, back up, back up. Yay. What the hell? Oh my god. Did you die? No. Brother. I'll get your stuff, bro.
Yo, I don't know how to get back down there. They're like, where exactly you are? I don't know how to get down there. Like, I don't remember how to exactly get to you.
I'm using one of your grapplers and I'm gonna come back up.
Okay. Well, can't. Never. Wait, they have arrows. Crossbow! I'm in the tech tree right now.
Okay.
I don't even know.
I'm back at the top layer.
It's expanded.
Apparently. But I'm coming back.
Okay.
Because I saw the spider.
Walk
And it's not
it
supposed to
this
be an
way.
infection spider.
Right. Constitution. The trunk.
I'm out.
Okay, I'm still in the
Okay,
tax. I have nothing, so. Bang! Bang, bang! Okay, I'm coming out of the tech.
That's all your stuff. That's all your stuff. I had to.
Wait, okay.
Here.
Let me clear my bag out.
And we'll see you.
Yo, you want this or I need these before well, I'm gonna sell them.
Give me.
Grappler? Wait, give me, no, please. Wait, give me the revolver real quick. Give me, I need this.
Okay. You can have that too.
And the guy from Squid Games, you ready?
Dad!
Ow. Okay.
Wait, sell me. Sell me. Sell me. Sell me, just sell me. Bro, I think I died.
I didn't know that happened. How did that happen? A nuclear bomb went off in there.
Oh,
You know.
I don't know where you're stopping.
Controversy, because it feels so empty without me. And a little controversy, because it feels so empty. Yo, so,
I don't have enough money.
how do you not have enough money for the pickaxe?
Cause it's $500.
Why are you spending all your money?
Bro,
Let's go get some copper outside.
I'm broker than broke.
But I thought we stole the stuff that we got. We got some stuff. Get this copper. Oh wait, you can't get it.
This isn't working. Oh yeah, it worked. I'm just gonna take this.
Shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Get all the copper. There's some nuggets over here too. I thought you were Elon Musk. Wait, is Forrest actually back there what the guy said in the minefield? I'm gonna go check.
It is.
Oh, yo, bet! Oh wait, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go check it out.
Okay.
This area is more like spaced out now. Holy crap. No controversy because it feels so right without me. Gonna need a little controversy. You so right. Okay. Cross the minefield. Secret. It is. It's back there. I've saw enough of it. Yeah. I'm out of here. Hey, I kind of died because I panicked as soon as I saw the ogre, and I'm like, oh, that's enough of Forest for me today. Cause I hate the freaking ogre. Hey.
You're looking to leave.
I threw it at my head. I can't pick up my other bag because it landed on the mine.
That was my bag.
Oh, that was your bag. Okay.
It
I
was
don't care.
empty,
My
though.
stuff is closer to the bag.
I need my pickaxe. Just give me my phone. That's mine. That's
It's mine.
Dude, fine, I'm stealing your stuff. Sure. Thanks.
But I ain't got nothing to lose.
There's nothing. Oh.
The bag fell. No. Don't land on another mine, I swear to God. Hey, well, where does the pickaxe go? Find the pickaxe, guys. Where did my pickaxe go, specifically?
You don't get a pickaxe.
I found it! It landed up here! I need a little controversy, because it feels so empty without me. What's your favorite animal company YouTuber?
Just a toasty boy.
That's my favorite. Cause on
Yeah,
Rec Room,
it's
one day I
really
changed my
nice.
name to Toast, and then a legend was born. Toast, just Toasty. Okay, you know where to go, so you're leading us.
Oh, I don't have a flashlight.
Oh my God, there's boobies right there. See those boobies? Oh yeah, wait, I forgot
What
the
are you talking
flashlight. Let me go get a flashlight.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with you.
I need a hip holster thing, bruh.
I'm gonna kill you.
Bruh.
I'm gonna kill you. Come here.
No.
Leave me alone. You have red watch, so I'm killing you.
Oh my God, give me my big
What?
Hey, where's your flashlight at?
In my butt.
No, wait,
Literally.
is the glitch still here? Wait, come here, stand still. Turn on yours. Turn on yours.
But
There was a
lag's
glitch
really bad.
where, no, like if there was two of those together and people were holding them, it would like, glitch out.
Oh.
Like, they could not be together.
Yeah.
Each other. That was the worst glitch ever. It feels so good being light. Oh my God.
What? What did you say?
It feels so good being light because I'm not heavy anymore. Like, I can move more in my bag.
I have no idea what you just said.
Because I emptied my bag out so I can move a lot more.
I thought you said, oh, it feels so good being white.
Oh my God, I would never.
Racing! Racing!
I'm not racing. No, when Toasty first saw this, I'm like, it's just like Minecraft, cause the cave, the entrance is split apart. When you get to I love Minecraft and the shaft.
He likes me. Don't touch.
Oh hell no,
Bad boy.
sorry.
Touching me.
Let's go over here.
Ew. Nothing here.
Yeah, we gotta mine through to find more diamond. How are cave shafts formed? Like, I don't get it.
Come down here. Put this in here.
The people dig it out and then just do not get the diamonds from it. So when I get it, I get the diamonds.
Oh, hi, buddy.
No.
This game. Like that game.
Yeah, get him out here. Wait, there's this thingy. Ready for this, huh?
Stop.
You died?
No, I'm good. I'm not safe. He died. You're dead.
Hey, what's that noise?
Ooh, I'm eating that one.
Look at this, what's that noise?
Ooh, there's so many. Oh, there's so many.
Yo, can we break that? That's spider green.
Don't break the green one. Don't break the green one.
Yo, that's where the spider spawns. Wait, can you break it? Break it! I didn't know that. I didn't know that. No. I didn't know that happened.
Look at that hoverboard, bro.
Oh yeah, we tricked his. But that's crazy. It's a new hoverboard skin. So they trick people not to take our freaking hoverboards. No, don't tell me you got off. Bro, he got off. I need a new person. He just left. I'm gonna start a video, don't I? No. I'm gonna go find more people. Who wants to do a video with me? Who wants to do a video with me on the new update?
Excuse me.
Huh? Oh, me, pal.
Come to the
My game is
friend and
broken.
leaderboard to do an update with me.
Wait, where's the daily job?
Yo, I'm
Where's the daily job? Guys,
At the end of the day, like
Okay,
to
join
subscribe.
me.
where's the daily job?
Yeah, I'm already filming, so you should join me. Okay, first off, those people yapping about the daily job. Where is it? Actually, where's the daily jobs at, bruh?
The daily requests, yeah, they're gone. Why?
Where?
Because the crystals could
Oh,
give
yeah.
you company coins or metal nuts or
Let me buy your bag.
yeah, research points.
Yo, bro. Yo, Toast. My.
Oh, I
My
guess we're
dad
doing this
keep-
with 3
my-
people now. Get the bag.
My
Get the
dad came in
bag.
my rooms. My dad came in my room.
Hooray!
Oh, we're gonna get the 3 people. This is even
and I'm not
better.
supposed to be up there.
Yeah, this is even better. Right, start
Okay,
the
I'm
YouTube
I'm-
channel at the.
No,
Start
no,
the
it's
YouTube
already
video.
it's already going. Me and
Oh
him
my
started it,
Yeah.
and then he left,
There
so I
you
had to go get you. But he came back now. Hey, help! Oh god. By the way, wait, is this no PvP?
If you're
You take damage?
if you're a skeleton,
Yay! It doesn't.
if you're
Yes.
If you're a skeleton, then and you own the skeleton arms, you can actually pretend like you have long arms for a little bit. And then the skeleton arms would break,
Oh,
like
stick.
the actual pickaxe ones or whatever, because they actually break.
Okay, follow White. He's a professional. Actually, follow me.
I'm a professional as well.
Actually, I don't.
Yesterday was my
I
first
just
day
got
seeing
on.
the mining update.
No, I knew they were gonna add something like this.
Obviously, yesterday was the first time that I saw the new mining update because literally today.
Bro, you scared me on. You scared me.
Yesterday
Then I thought you were the
was-
spider, bro. Keep your freaking thingies on. Keep your flashlights on, bro.
Yesterday was whenever the mines update came out. Guys,
Hey, I kind of want to go over
Oh,
it, but
you-
I don't. Where did you all go? Hello?
guys, I'm all the way down here.
Okay, go all the way down, I guess. You can't go through the ropes? Oh, you should be able to climb the ropes. You should be able. There's some gold.
You can't climb the rope. Come with me. I'm gonna show you a secret place. Let's mine some gold and then I can.
Secret place, yes, please, keep it.
Yo.
Don't.
I
Oh,
hear
that was your
spiders
research
sort of.
point. My research point.
Where are you guys going?
How do I know where I am going? My headset battery's low, so we gotta do this. Why is there a cave?
Ooh, big one.
Look, let me get this, let me get this.
Yeah, that was yours.
Guys, I'm a miner.
Guys, I found an orb. I think I heard.
Let's go this way. It's right here. It's right this way. It's this way.
Oh, that was 2. I got some company coins because of one more spawned.
Ooh, don't touch this way.
Doesn't he target you
Go around it. It's.
if you get in that? What's that big black tower?
Oh, it's right there. Don't get killed. Gun, go. Run away.
That was not me.
Be careful right here.
Oh yeah, rock monkey's right there.
One more hit, I'm dead.
Let me go over
I
here.
healed. Yeah, I'm healing, so. I should be able to survive or survive. I mean, I didn't see it, I just heard it.
Yo, there's a amethyst. I'm calling it amethyst from now on. Yo, where'd he go? Oh, he's down here.
Jump down to the thing.
Oh my god, there's so much gold down there. I'm ready to go get it.
No.
That's not really
Secret
cool.
place. It's in. Not in here. Wait, where am I?
Wait, here, let me.
Ah,
I fell. I accidentally fell down here too. This was cute. Wait, what? You can just. Yo, you can just do them like that.
yup.
Wait.
Using a zipline is a little easier than using a grappler hook, to be honest.
Okay.
No. We should work together as a team to get as much ores as we can before.
No, wait, guys, come this way.
Yeah.
Cause we have to get like
No,
fill our
this is
bags
the wrong
up.
place. The wrong place.
Yeah, there's a little
And if
secret
you
place,
die,
and it has a
video
bunch of.
ends.
Wait, guys, come down.
If,
I already died.
if one of us dies, if one of us, if you record the
Come
video,
on.
if you die,
Tell me that.
then you're gonna be having to end the video. Sorry.
All the way up here.
I took a photo.
Bruh.
Come up here.
All the way up.
Right here.
Can I get some coins?
Like, this is right below the all.
Yo, I fell.
Way.
Yo, I fell down. Wait for me to get back up.
Crystal to make sure no one else tries to do it.
This way. Over here.
I wonder what
For a
public
second, I
lobbies
heard
are.
our pistol. Our trucks.
Wait, can I get a pistol? I'm trying to get the one next to it.
Don't get the green
Don't break the
one.
green one. Don't break the green
Yeah.
I know, I'm trying to
green
get the purple.
makes you teleport.
I exactly got the purple.
If we teleport back, the video ends as well, guys.
I already
Why?
teleported.
Because bro's headset's about to die already, bro.
Let me get that amethyst right here. Here.
You have to go.
We need to get more ores. My bag still it has more room. It has a bunch of room.
Yeah, I barely even collect crystals out that cut off. No,
Break.
I'll know what. I'm almost full health, okay, guys?
Big one section.
Is it for crate? We did get the.
The crate fell out the map. A big old crate fell out the
I
map.
can't see anything.
Because I saw it sort of like on the other side of the wall, so yeah.
Guys,
There's a lot of gold up here. I want to get big chunks
where are
of
you
gold.
going?
Where I can't
With
find
me.
any.
Over here. Yes, guys. Yes. Yes. Guys, come over here. Come
Yes.
on. Bro, we're leaving this kid. Don't break. Dodge flips.
I did.
Hey, Mike, you can't come up here. You can't come up here.
Yo, kill it.
Ow. Okay, let's go. Come with me. Over here. We can mine after. Don't mine anything.
Oh yeah, this area. I've been to this area like once, and now we're here again. Wow.
Look, come in here. I think they're gonna add something here next update.
Yeah.
Like this is a bunker, I think.
Oh, the music's fire.
There's music down there.
Yeah.
That's probably gonna be a new boombox down there too. Yo, my pickaxe.
Or probably it's just a band.
Okay, so what do we do now?
We can just.
Let's go mine. Let me see if I even got anything. I got like nothing.
I sadly did not get anything. I don't really care about getting the stuff. I just care about getting the research points,
That's
the
the only thing that's gonna get to it, is research
company
points.
coins, or the other. You know.
Go.
And I'm gonna go change how
Okay.
I look. I might, or I might not. So I'm pretty sure I still be like pretty
So
much a skeleton.
we made a
Those 4 ingots, gold ingots, that was trash, bro.
we did nothing. Okay, let's go to the outro.
Anyways,
Yo, come to Mira so we can do outro.
Yeah.
what?
Come to Mira.
Come to the mirror so we can do an outro, bro.
Okay,
Alright, I'm here.
No.
bye
Wait,
bye.
guys,
Make sure you like and subscribe. These monkeys. Where's the other one at?
Guys. Ah! Stop. What?
If you don't subscribe, he's gonna bomb your house. Oh, shoot.
Yeah, like this.
I thought you died for a second.
Oh my god.
See y'all. I'm gonna go. See you later.
I always